Good morning students. Standard 5th Real English. Word meanings. These are the word meanings, right? Given in the green box, right? Word meanings. You have to write in your notebook and learn. Legendary means well known, famous. Shabbiest, most untidy. Chilly means cold. Frayed, worn away or tattered along the edges. Switches, pieces of cloth. Ragged, torn and tattered. Paired, looked closely. Suspiciously, with mistrust. Elegant, dressed tastefully or in a highly attractive manner. Take a stick to you, beat you. Handsome, here the meaning of handsome is stylish, smart looking. Ushered, escorted, led him into the house respectfully. Spoon the soup, pour the soup. Finery, showy and expensive clothes and ornaments. Word meanings completed. And now comprehension. Exercise A1. Complete the following sentences in your own words. Right? You have to complete all the sentences. First, people listened when Nasruddin spoke because he was a wise man. Second, Nasruddin went to the rich man's house because the rich man had invited him for a dinner. The servant made Nasruddin wait at the gate so that he could ask his master's permission to allow the mullah in. Fourth, the servant threatened to beat Nasruddin if he did not go away. In the end, the rich man promised that he would not judge people by their dresses or looks. Exercise A2. Answer these questions. You have to write answers of these questions. First question is, how was Nasruddin treated at the gate the first time? Answer is, Nasruddin was treated rudely at the gate and asked to go away. Second question is, did the rich man recognize Nasruddin the first time? Give reason for your answer. Answer is, the rich man did not recognize Nasruddin the first time. This was because he was shabbily dressed like a beggar. And third question, why did the servant not stop Nasruddin from entering the gates when he came back the second time? Answer is, when Nasruddin came back the second time, he was wearing his finest silk garments with a cap on his head and a high-collared coat. The servant did not stop Nasruddin because he looked like a nobleman. Now, question number 4. Mullah Sahib, what are you doing? Why did the rich man make this remark? Answer is, the rich man made the surprised remark when he saw Nasruddin spooning the soup over his cap. He also sprinkled crumbs of bread over the shoulders of his coat and fed the shish kebab to his slaves. And question number 5. Why did the rich man hang his head in shame? Answer is, the rich man hung his head in shame when Nasruddin taught him the lesson that one should not judge people by their appearance and dress. And question number 6. The narrator has called Nasruddin a wise man. Do you agree? Give reasons for your answers. नरेटर ने लेसन में नसरुद्दीन को एक वाइस मैन कहा है. नसरुद्दीन वाइस मैन है. तो डू यू एग्री? यदि आप इससे एग्री करते हैं कि नसरुद्दीन वाइस मैन था तो आपको उसका रीज़न लिखना है. यदि नहीं तो भी आपको उसका रीज़न लिखना है. तो ये क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आपको अपने आप लिखना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स एंड सिबलिंग्स. तो ऑल क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स हैज़ बीन completed. You have to write in your notebook all question answers and learn.